Yeah, my people, yo, I'm telling you something. I see some of them taxi driver and doctor boy and coaster bus driver. Hey, I'm tell you, I'm fix all my camera too, you know. Cause boy, them, hey, working class people and scholars, them enough to make some dunce back doctor boy this one and taxi driver, you know. Cause the boy, them love tell people and shout and back off at people about, go look change on the yard and big Monday morning and I come out with big change and $5,000. Like, I want to the done spot them. Now them are the business. Them don't know one, them don't know a fuck about business. Them dunce doctor boy and that's why education is so important, you know. You want to see the clean working class people in my morning time with some doctor boy, some nasty doctor boy, stink doctor boy, and and taxi driver, them they have a beard enough for them and brush all them teeth and them want come shout off at people, good, clean, nice people, them you know. True the people them not have change, you know. The little dunce back boy, them I tell people about make sure them look change from them yard for them come on them vehicle. Kind of dunce back people, them I hate them say because the boy them dunce and feel like say them can give people school, them can give people homework. I say that the dirty done spot. Chichid, hey, I don't even, I don't even like them, you know. The one them where I shout off at people and I tell people about, go look, change from on ya. Hey, I regular me have to fix them up. I say, done spot, how school you go? Cause enough of them not go school, you know, my people, I fix them up regular and I'm say, pussy are you for look change, you know. You cannot do business and not change early morning, so the fuck you not do in a business. No, what not do? Wait take for your bus driver and a taxi driver come out a morning time with at least 10 grand worth of small change. The boy them make money, you know. The boy them make money. And them want it to look like so them now make no money. That's why them don't want to come out to change a morning time. Them don't want to inspire the youth them for go put taxi on the road. I saw Jamaicans stay, you know, them dirty and careless and bad mind when things are work for them where them put them them carry themselves like cruff because them don't want people to know how successful the business is. You see me? Yeah, man, them stink and sick my stomach, man. I regular them try that with me, you know, about don't come from them bus with no $1,000 or 5,000. Run them way, see and say, boy, go beard and go get educated. Or if you do business, I want to tell people, say them not for come from bus with change. But go look change from on the yard, you know, disgusting and stink. And you want to see all the nice, clean lady them with them education where them want to come bright up themselves, pan. Also, some of the man them too, you see what I say? The man them clean, I know them work clothes, and then through the man them not a small change. Hey, them are going like say people have control over what money reach them in the morning. Enough time we don't even have no fear. We have to just check some of our rich family them or some of our family them we're better off. And we might get all of 5 grand from them in the morning. Where we are going to change it? What you want me to do? Ask anybody who sit on the road in the dark peak hours in the morning? Eh? It doesn't matter because the best place for go with your big changes go where you spend it. Can't go get the doctor them because them first you do business with in the morning. You see me? The first business nothing we do in the morning is go on a bus or a taxi. We not buy nothing. Shop don't even open them hours there. But yet still a dirty careless boy them want come tell you, hey taxi boy and coaster bus conductor and driver we are doctor on the bus. Hey, on the fix on yourself, you know. I better want to come off of the road and go do a different business, you know. Come on, if people can go and market and market people and tell them about car change from them yard. When you go market people if you have them change. Any business where you do, the business people if you have them change. Doctor boy them, you know why the doctor boy them tell and the taxi, the dirty taxi boy them tell people about and I back off of them about. Make sure they get change. You know why them tell people that? Because them dunce, them lack education. Because people will not look at any other business. Not even the eagle them not done like taxi man. And you see with the thing with taxi man and coaster that thing them enough of them will deal with passengers. So imagine your passenger support you. Seeing your passenger support you, one of them give the money and you go back off of people about. And then look how them done so enough time here the coaster conductor them and the taxi man them talk about. You know, so them purposefully give people big money. That's what them saying, you know, because you see them mind so one track. Them not see it as a possibility for people just come by it without having no time for change it. You get me like them feel like some money in everybody yard. You see me I say, yeah, you there road, if me a taxi driver or a coaster bus driver. See me now say every morning me have change, you know, because when I start out, I might start out not having change enough. See, but you go and work until you can put on your change because you know say it's a work where require enough change. I say them done but the only thing them have in them blood not life is a vehicle. Them not have nothing up here so. That's why them feel like them can talk to the bright people and where take them vehicle for go work. Anyway them feel like, hey taxi driver, wanna go get some medication, you know. Cause worse than pretty damn to blood now. Enough of you can't read and feel like you want to come talk to people somewhere. You know sick man. Go get sense man, go get help. Because you can't run business and I tell the customer them or the passenger them say them feel have change. I hear that. How them come from? All if me the government, me run off on no blood clot out of business. Me running out of business and say come off a road and take away all on the license. I want to know if you can do, hey, a regular me have to fix the dog shit. Let me see. When them try that with me, must hey, I load them up I better you tell me come off of your bus, cause hey, you think you know, I'm gonna make sure I go beat down in my back of my bus too, you know. You see me? What do you mean have to jump off of one of them man, cause the little driver, coaster driver man. Hey, why make you never tell me that earlier? I say, hey, know you deal with people too. You see me? I have to tell him say, know you deal with people because business you do, you have to have change. He might tell me say, I can't talk. And I say, my mouth pussy. I have to diss him up, you know, I sit alongside of a nice fatty in my bus, you know. She just a laugh off him, you know. Because you see, them feel like say anybody them back off have to take them back in. Hey, you not gonna kill me. That me I tell you. Because so much dunce back there Jamaica and through them and make a little money or have something to put money in their pocket. Them feel like say them can talk to anybody anywhere. You go get an education, it's very necessary. I need it, very important. Taxi driver, go get an education. All of the done spot on them. Then we don't know how to deal with people, go get an education, go do some class or course or something, go learn sign language or something, man. We don't need to go occupy your mind on something else. You see, because most of them just done and sour no blood. No. Big up to the real taxi man and the good coaster them. I show you a good doctor in that video you watch. I show you a good doctor. When I make sure I give him a big note and the man do for disrespect me, the man just got change it. And some of them, we can't change it, them just give a free ride. That are good people, you see me? You can't expect everybody to come on your bus with small change. That is dunce mentality. That is so dunce for you think say everybody. People more time just one person come on them bus with big money for the day, you know? Sometimes just one person. And them deal at one person they like some ag and goat. Some of them, hey, Mark Golden, when you're forward in power, you know, take off some of them taxi boy and coaster boy when I know to deal with people, you know. Come see them and cuss all woman, them dog ratting and everything there, you know. I want to deal with people some way, you know. See, for what? Because them are the people them have change. What kind of idiot business them are run? Eh? What kind of idiot business? More anybody tell me if them have a right. I know say me one of the most sensible youth them in Jamaica right now, you know. The amount of stuntsness, I say what them are promoting, you know. See? Yeah, man. People would do, you know, the one, yeah. The one, yeah, for the people them where come you through society every day and you know what I mean, like all the morning time, the Jamaican doctor and the taxi driver them want tell them about say, you know, if you look change as passenger when I feed them business and them supposed to have change. You know, stop make them taxi boy and doctor boy they tell you say, you know, fair look change because them are the business, you see me? You can go to market. Imagine you go to market, go buy your goods. And then the people them with their market where sell them seasoning and ground provision and other items. I gotta tell you, say, if you go look change from your yard, and, you know what I mean? Business, from your do business, you have change. You see me? And if you don't have no change for people, then you're not about run the business right. A bad business. You see it? Because I notice enough I doctor and the taxi driver them get so comfortable and tell people about them for go look change from them yard. That's to say a joke of them. And then you know say a lack of education do them thing. Because them feel like them can talk to some people certain way. But say some people know them big job go and take bus. And then some doctor boy want to talk to them some way. Whenever have no education and feel like say them have a point. From here do business, you're prepared. You don't run a business and not have change. You come out with all $15,000 worth of small change a morning time, every morning. Because at the end of the day, you don't even need so much, but just to show you, you have some days where the small change them come less from the passenger them than some other regular days where you will get a lot of small cash. You see me? But the doctor them have manners and know for deal with people and the taxi driver them. They don't have nothing about them. Just a shout out for people on the back. Like a whole heap of unfortunate things can go on in the morning, you know. Sometimes people are leave them house and go if have a fear. So if them link them family and them family give them a $5,000 all early in the morning, where them all get cheated? We want them to walk up and down with stranger, big stranger change for some big note. So them doctor have more time, them sick. Because I don't like say people. It's like them want to give people homework and tell people say for thing there. Yeah. Doctor, watch out now. I forgot to tell you, that $5,000 me have, you know. That $5,000 me have. Where you say, can bust it up? My point across. Yeah, more time the doctor them want shout and disrespect the people them but no, I do it. Look, shit. Look a fool, BC, feeling funny. You try stuff up guns like Respect, borderline, jungle and Tivoli. When the fuck with them? Then who with them? I them me daddy. What you say? Bad man, bust me gun them grab it. Bad man lock it and load and slam it. Every single 12 years, jam it. The shot gun from it, your head shot slam it. Bad man, make the shot them bust out. Kill a boy, them shot up you wait to go. Right, the shot drop out, down and deep drop out. The gun has a big light and hold up. Bad man, bust gun where you jam it. Anyway, me shot up them sweats and me bang it. The 4-4 magnum no jam it. Me want it, it shake up the planet and panic. Bad man, let the gun them kick off. Half a boy face, bone, the skin slip off. Up top, with half a full lip me off. Gun both look like when you move this arm. Gunshots swell him up like hippopotamus. Entry shot a bus, east of us. Brad black a bus, all on the catalog. Stop a plus, let me ready be a light of us. The second sem must go down in the guitarus. Feel it at us, man not in my brush, me and the car ridiculous. If I was vigorous, me not Icarus, I kiss a rust. Listen when me friend use it.